Linking your bank account to Bookafy is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Bookafy account. Start by visiting the Bookafy website and logging into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. Look for the Payment Settings or Billing option in the dashboard. This section is where you will manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Payment Settings, find the option to link bank account. Click on this option to begin the process of adding your bank details. Step 4. Enter your bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues with linking. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrug.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank accounts to Bookafy and streamline your payment processes. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Bookafy support for assistance.